Hello everyone, my name is Tani. So today is more of a shout out day. I'm still relatively early in my YouTube journey, so I just want to, shout out 5 pages that I believe helped me. So here are 5 pages I believe you should be following if you are a starter photographer and you want to grow in your craft. So let's go.
You ready? You got me running. You got me running. Got me running.
Number one, I'm going to start this off with Prince Mason. So Prince Mason is a portrait and beauty photographer. It's probably the first person I've ever really um, learned from, on YouTube. Properly, I spent a lot of time, watching his content on YouTube, and I learned so much, especially in terms of retouching, and a lot of that was during COVID, right? Where I really delved into his content, during COVID and initially when I started in 2018. I really delved into so much of his content, on retouching, on shooting, you know, um, it's it's the best intro. He gives the best intro to retouching that I've seen, on YouTube, and it's helped me so much. Um, like I said, best intro. It's really good and it will help you build up the habits that you need to build, um yeah, just watch Prince Mason. I believe you'll learn a lot. So number two, and this could have been number one. Could have. It was really close. Flern, right? PH Flern. He teaches photography and he teaches Photoshop and Lightroom, and yeah, Flern was very instrumental to me, right? Because I built up from what I learned from Prince Mason into Flern. Flern does a lot of Photoshop and photography tutorials, right? But he also does some really complex things. But learning from, there, one reason why I said he called him in first was after I learned a lot from his YouTube page, I also went to their website, right? Went to their website, flern.com, and I actually paid for a, I think, beginner 101 class, master class on retouching, and there I learned, a lot of things from class 1 to 0. So yeah, I'm not sure if I did the entire thing. Probably not. I think I did beginner 101. But I learned like so much that has helped me get to where I am now. A lot of the knowledge I have now, I learned from there. So, I'll definitely say Flern is a must page that you should go to if you want to, become a better photographer. So number three, and this is very dear to my heart, Sue Bryce. Um, Sue Bryce is actually a lot more helpful when you actually start and decide you want to do this as a business. But she gives some of the most amazing talks about um, talks about things like how to perceive yourself as a photographer, how to go through the hard times. Her story is very inspirational, and I believe that if you watch her stuff a lot earlier, it'll help you moving forward. Because I learned it when after I watched some of her stuff after I was already got some years in, and it really helped me. But I know that if I'd watched stuff even earlier, right, and if you actually do eventually become part of her, online community, um, like that'll be even more amazing. I still haven't done that. It's still a goal of mine, but I know if you do get access to her online community, you'll get access to so many photographers, so many lessons, and all that. So look up Sue Bryce. I promise you, you will not regret it. Oh yeah, and before I forget, uh, you know her her work in posing is amazing. Like her classes on posing, oh my god, I learned so much on posing from her. Like up till now, I still do some of the poses, and I still remember some of the poses that I've learned from watching her videos. Right, so definitely watch Sue Bryce. So number four, F stoppers. F stoppers gives a lot of they give a lot of content. I really don't know how to explain it. It's all sorts, right? All sorts in terms of equipment, in terms of shooting, in terms of all sorts of things that relate to photography that will be very helpful for you to have. So yeah, definitely check out F stoppers. I don't have too much to say about it because it's been a while since I checked out. Just because I haven't done too much of learning recently, but which I need to go back to. But definitely check out Fstoppers. It'll help you a lot. And 5, this should have been higher up the list, but I will add this now. Jessica Kobiesi. I hope I didn't spoil the name. But anyway, um, Jessica is an amazing tutor, and she gives some amazing classes, not necessarily classes. She has some amazing videos, right? Especially when she goes out to shoot and shows you, certain things that she thinks about and certain things that she does. um and also when she's editing, especially her Lightroom class. Her Lightroom class really helped me understand more about Lightroom and certain features that I wasn't really aware of in my editing journey. So that's definitely something I think you should check out. And if you do that, you'll have such an amazing photography knowledge, amazing photography bank of knowledge, that will be very helpful for you, and that will help you create great images and do a lot better in your craft. So yeah. So anyways, guys, that's everything. Those are 5 people. There are a lot more people that I could mention, but I'll just save that for another video. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video, and stay great till then. Bye bye.